What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am touring more apartments. So if you're excited for this information, hit that like button for me, hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and also hit that notifications bell so you don't miss my posts. But yeah, let's get into it. We're going to a new apartment today called Kiori, and we're also going back to Panoma 2 today. So let's find out what Da Nang has to offer this spring and summer for prices. Let's go. All right, got a restroom right here. This must be a 2-bedroom. Kitchen over there, washer and dryer over there. Bedroom 1. Living room is nice. Bedroom 2. AC unit up there. Desk has drawer slots. This is your restroom. So this building isn't brand new, but I'll keep an eye out for the mold. If it's mold, it's a deal breaker, right? For all of us. Shower has a door, a wand, a rain head. Let's check out our view. TV on the wall. You do get a lot of natural lighting. You're a couple floors up. And yeah, this is the first room. Okay. Closet has mirrors built into it. Get yourself a look at yourself. There we go. Bedroom 1. Okay. Your living room does have a balcony that opens. A full proper balcony. And you got a view of the Dragon Bridge Street right there. 2 dressers. Yeah, here's your bedroom number 2. This one doesn't have a TV. Same good lighting though. Built-in cabinetry. Mirrors in your closet in this one too. And then here's that view when the blinds are open all the way. Let's go into this second bathroom now. Washer and dryer, sink. Everything is a little used, but nothing looks damaged or ruined. Showers with doors in this unit. I like that. So it's a 2-bed, 2-bath. Fridge has a water dispenser. Fridge is clean. Freezer is clean, but they are used. Microwave. A lot of cabinetry. So how much is this one? 23 million. All right, guys, so I will show y'all the pool amenity now. Right here. I like that this building's amenities are included in the price. There's no extra price here at Kiori. And then you got like a hot tub over here. A Zen garden grassland over here. And then you have a gym on the same floor. The gym is included in the price too. You got weights you can lift. It even has a water dispenser, and it has more free weights right there. So yeah, that is Kiori so far. I'm gonna go show y'all some more Panoma today too. Comment down below how y'all feel about Kiori. Kiori is on the beach side as well. So it's a 2-minute bike ride from the beach, but it's also a 2-minute walk from the Dragon Bridge and the river. So yeah. Crazy water view over there. bridge, so you're facing the riverside. Kitchen. Yes. Has a marble backsplash. Got a 3-burner stove. I guess your washer and dryer will be right in here. It comes with dishes. Storage space under. It doesn't have a fridge in here yet.
TV.
Right there. Dining table right here. This red chair and black chair. Lamp right there. Cool coffee table. Storage space inside of your TV console. Let's check out the beautiful view. Got the vibes down there. Then you got the vibes of the city. The sun is directly in front of our eyes, y'all, so. But yeah, it's beautiful. This is the bridge that has a ship sail shape. Yep. The sun is setting right here. It'll set right here in front of your apartment every day. And I don't think you have to hear that street noise when you have your window closed. Okay, now on to the bedrooms. This bedroom has that view. I like the wall design. A lot of cabinet space. Storage in those stands too. Okay, they don't have any lights on. The power isn't on in here. But your shower has a door, marble counter, and then this must be the master bedroom. This is awesome. You can shower and use the toilet with a view of northern beachside Da Nang. You can also have ventilation while you shower. That's crazy. Marble sink. Cabinetry everywhere. You can put things on display right here, like purses or jewelry. And this is your bed. You got this cool shaped mirror. You got see-through glass for your bedroom. Even your bathroom mirror is kind of a full body mirror. Got an AC unit right there. Here is exactly how epic your view is. So you're seeing the river from all rooms in your unit. Seeing the riverside. I love this view. So yeah, let's find out how much this one is now. How much is this one per month?
35 million.
35 million. Okay. All right, guys, so that is it for today's vlog. Comment down below if you like Kiori's more or Panoma's more, and how you feel about the value. If y'all want to join a Da Nang masterclass from me or a digital nomad masterclass from me, it is linked down below in the description. We will be happy to have y'all in our group, in our Discord. And yeah, man, I will see y'all real soon in the next one. Buy into your dream job. Stay confident. Stay consistent. Love y'all, man. Peace.